can enroll the BYOD users into our Intune portal. So there is a method in our Intune, Microsoft Intune portal where we can enroll the users as well as the devices, basically the BYOD devices, the which is bring your own device. So here we will check like Windows 11 device, we will enroll, self enroll it, so that we can able to check it on our portal. So we will check it on our Intune portal. The Microsoft, like my local machine, I will enroll. So for this, I will have to go to Microsoft Store. As per the steps, we will follow. Open Microsoft Store, then search for the company portal. So here I have opened in a local machine Microsoft Store, and here I have searched the company portal. Okay, guys. So this company portal will you will install it, and after that installing it, you will check that we have to launch the company portal. I have launched it. See, this is the company portal. I have launched it, and after that, you can log in with sign up your work or school account. So since my device is enrolled with the Microsoft account, so I will use the credentials for my global administrator. So which I will tell you in when I log in to the endpoint manager or the Intune admin center. So let me log in. So I will log into Chrome. It's in my local browser. I will and log into the Intune portal. Microsoft. So my global admin rights. Or here also I will log into Microsoft admin portal, admin.microsoft.com. There also you can check which is your global administrator role, or through which you have started subscription and the other account subscription for the user. So this user I will log in with my global admin, which has the global admin rights. And for this you should need to have global admin rights for enrolling the devices into the Intune portal. So for this I will log in with my this account, and I will go to the company portal. I will sign in. So this is the steps. We will sign in with the work or school account in my local machine, and after we'll do the device allow management. So I will log in. So this is my email address, and then I will type the password and save it save. Okay, now it's asking for the master authentication, which is my multi-factor authentication, which I have enrolled through MFA through Microsoft Authenticator app. So the authentication request will be approved from my end, and I will be able to log into the portal, to the Intune portal. So there I will see the device which I have enrolled. So when I go to my device, let it completes the security part. Okay, allow organization to manage the device. So as we have seen, guys, we will see the next step. We have to allow the device management. Okay, and after that we'll set the compliance policies or encryption. Okay, once the device gets appears into the Intune portal. So I will do allow automatically sign into all desktop apps and websites on this device. So I will hit OK. It's asking me to check for SSO in case certificate. Let me check. Organization. I will enroll it to it's a shared device. So if so, consider signing this app only. Otherwise, yes to all apps. So it will allow you to use your work school account in order to sign into other desktop website. Also, we can add register this, and we can also register this device in the organization so that the organization can view the device information like device name. Or so I will allow no to this app only. Okay, you can allow to other things also, means your apps also if you want, but I don't want to eat the now IT admin needs to assign license for the access, guys. So for this we need to assign the Intune license, guys. Okay, so we have to once we assign the Intune license, which is our Intune one given license. So it the device this my entire device will reflect in our portal, means your Intune portal. So I will assign the license, share details. Please get help from IT and close later, so that we can easily, assign the license by Microsoft Admin Center. So, however, once we'll assign the license, so let's go to admin.microsoft.com, and from here I can assign the license through Marketplace. I can go. So licenses, I will go, and here I can assign the license, search for the license, Intune license. If I will search, so once the Intune license gets assigned, guys, we'll be able to enroll my Windows 11 device to the Intune portal by means of company portal in the Microsoft Store. So in that way, we can easily enroll those devices, and you can easily confirm that your device is being particularly enrolled into the Indian portal. So it's searching for a license. For marketplace also we can check, but let it loads. So, I will forgot to tell one difference, that we need to check here the yes all apps and no this app only. So suppose we want to ensure that we have to apply only to this app only, so this device will not get registered into the organization security policies, as well as we can't apply on this. It would be accessible only to this app only. But when we click on yes to apply all apps, so it will access our school account and other applications also we can access by means on the Intune portal, and we can register this device with our organization. Okay, so the organizations which we have, like here in that case, the organization Intune portal, we have HMW, so that will be able to access the device information like device name. So I will click on yes, all apps. See guys, it is registering the device now. So once it registers this device, we will be able to see it in the Intune portal, which is device enrollment, where he is see, and since it's a Windows 11 device, so it will check here. So it will take some time while registering it.